channel. My name is Palina and this is a makeup tutorial I filmed a while back before I dyed my hair brown. The makeup tutorial is a very interesting purple pink look using a palette called Bye Bye Birdie by Colourpop. It's an older palette from Colourpop I got a few years ago to Christmas. My parents didn't know what kind of makeup I like and they wanted to buy me some makeup. They know I like the brand Colourpop, so they bought me a few palettes from Colourpop that year and this was one of them, Bye Bye Birdie. I like the color pink and purple but I don't use them much in makeup, so I didn't use this palette much, but it is a beautiful palette and I want to choose a palette some love, so let's create a makeup look using it and I hope you guys will enjoy this video. I'm starting off with base makeup and I already applied foundation and concealer onto my face. I'm using the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade 4. It's a very natural dark brown color. I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows, adding some pigmentation and draw it in the shape I already have. Have you guys tried any makeup from Colourpop before? I have a few eyeshadow palettes from Colourpop and I really like them. You get good quality makeup for an affordable price and the packaging of their products is also cute, unlike many other affordable makeup or drugstore makeup brands. But I think they release too much makeup. Like every second week you see new products, new collections from Colourpop, and because Colourpop products are affordable, they're not expensive, anyone can buy Colourpop products. So when they release new stuff it urges me of wanting to buy their new collections, especially when there's interesting colors I like, or when they do a collaboration with characters, movies, cartoon figures or Disney princesses I like. It makes me want to buy their makeup and that's not healthy, so I stopped following them like a year ago. And recently I bought an eyeshadow palette called Fade into Hue. I thought it was a brand new palette but turns out the palette was already a year old or something. I'm just not keep up to date with them anymore. Anyways, back to the makeup. I'm going to take the shade Bluebird from the palette. It's a very pretty light pink color with some gold shimmers in it. The little shimmer sparkles are not very visible, especially when blended out on my eyelid, you can barely see the shimmers. I'm just going to use a pink color as a base to create the shape I want for the eye look. Next, I will take this darker purple matte color. I don't know how it's pronounced, Heroine Chic. I'm going to apply it on the outer part of my eyelid and wing it out a little bit. With this look, I need to be more careful not to bring the eyeshadow too high. I want to save some space on the upper area of my eyelid and create an extra line there. I'm just blending it nicely and getting the shape I want, making sure there's no harsh spots, and then keep layering on color until I get the desired pigmentation I want. 2 days ago, I watched a new movie called The Adam Project. It's a futuristic action comedy movie. I really liked it. The story and the plot was really good. There's great action scenes in it and it was funny to watch. Ryan Reynolds is in the movie as well as the Hulk actor. It's funny how I don't remember most of the Avengers or superheroes actors' names, but I know the actors by their character. If I see Scarlett Johansson, I know her name, but when I see her, I would always think of Black Widow first. Anyways, I watched The Adam Project and really liked it. If you're looking for a new movie to watch and you like comedy, action, futuristic, time-traveling movies, then you will definitely like this one. Also, I'm looking for new TV shows to watch. If you guys know any TV shows that you really like, please let me know. Now I will take this very pretty shade called Nevermore. It's a really shimmery and sparkly pink and gold shimmery eyeshadow. I will apply this on the inner part of my eyelid and drag it more to the middle of the eyelid. The shade is really pretty and I like how this complements the matte purple color very well. I ordered some new clothes and they arrived yesterday. I'm really excited to wear new clothes for spring and summer this year. I got some new casual and sporty clothing, some leggings and other pants, and some short crop tops. The weather's been getting more warm and sunny here lately, so I don't have to wear thick winter jackets anymore. I will be working out more. Now I will take the shimmery pink color and apply it on the inner parts of my lower lash line as well. And now for the exciting part, I will use a flat angled eyeliner brush and pick up the matte purple shade we used earlier. I'm going to draw an extra line above the eye look, and it's just going to follow the curve of my eyes. You can do it differently according to your eye shape. I just want to add something extra to make the whole look pop. It's eyeshadow, so you don't have to worry about making mistakes. You can easily scratch the eyeshadow off using your fingernails or a cotton swab. I'm just taking my time to slowly adding on more color. I want to draw a line that complements the shape of my eyes. And then I'm also going to add on some extra color onto the outer corners of the eyeshadow I did earlier. I want to intensify the eyeshadow on the outer part of my eyelid, as well as making the border between the new line and the eyeshadow on my eyelid more visible. I have very shaky hands, so when I do looks like this, I have to take my time and be patient with it. If you have shaky hands like me, I suggest using a fluffy powder puff and hold it on your pinky finger and then press it onto your face so you have a pressure point to hold on when you are doing something on your eyes. And now I will take a small flat brush and dipping in some concealer. I'm going to apply concealer between the line and the eyeshadow. I want to make the space there more visible to make the borders clear between the line above my eyeshadow and the eyeshadow on my eyelids. After I'm done with the concealer, I'm taking the matte purple eyeshadow again and applying it on my eyeshadow and on the line above it. I want to intensify everything and make it look sharp and clear. And this is the finished shape of the eye look. Now I will take this very pretty shade called Ariel. It's a very nice light pink shimmery shade. I will apply it on the inner corners of my eyes to bring an extra pop. And then I will curl my eyelashes and do my eyeliner. Same combo as always, I'm using my Shiseido eyelash color and the Kiss Me eyeliner. I'm using a black liquid liner today. I have very small eyelid space. I like to start at the end of my eyelid along my lash line, and then I'm just going to draw little by little and then wing it out. I used to be terrible at doing eyeliner back then. Whenever I do my eyeliner, my eyes would look super weird, like super hooded or look super small or super puffy. So I used to look in the mirror and think, would I ever get good at this one day? I mean, does eyeliner even look good on my eyes? And right now I'm very happy. Eyeliner does look very good on my eyes, I just needed to know how to apply it. Now I will finish off the eye look with mascara. I don't use false eyelashes, mascara is all I use. This is a Clio Q-Lash mascara in long curling. I will apply this on the top and bottom eyelashes on both eyes. It's always satisfying for me to see my eye look completed with eyeliner and mascara on. It just makes my eyes look so much bigger, brighter, and changes the whole look. And now I'm taking my Too Cool for School Artclass by Rodin shading powder. I'm using the two darkest shades and applying on the outer parts of my face. Now for blush, this is my Nars Outlaw blush. It's a berry pink color with some gold shimmers in it, perfect for this look. I'm gently sweeping it across my cheeks. Some pink color really brings liveliness to my face. For highlighter today, this is my MAC X Lisa highlighter in the shade Show Gold. It's a very pretty pink and gold highlighter. I'm going to apply it on the bridge of my nose and on the high points of my cheeks. Highlighters weren't a part of my makeup routine a few years ago when I just started wearing makeup. Social media changed all that. When I see all the beauty influencers applying highlighter and how they make everything look so good, it made me want to try highlighter too, and I loved it. To finish off the makeup look today, I'm using my MAC X Lisa Powder Kiss Liquid Lipstick in the shade Pink Roses. It's a very pretty, muted, toned down rose pink color. And this is a completed makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what kind of makeup looks do you want to see next. I hope you have a great day. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It would mean a lot to me. And I'll see you all in my next one. Bye!